What's going on, everyone? I'm Cosmo. You're watching the Kosmoto channel. I just got out of work. I'm ready to hit the trails, and I guess I'll see you there.
Where'd you have just stop?
Not far.
Okay. You want me to come in? We start over again, Mike?
Where are you from, Tony?
What the fuck difference does it make where I'm from, man?
Where are you?
Here we are, guys. I finally made it. This road was super sketch, like super sketch, and this whole area here is like extremely dirty, and if I get away without a punctured tire, I think it'll be a successful day. But I'm really bummed about this whole place because this did not used to be this trashed. Like, there's garbage everywhere, people dump their stuff, there's a Cummins there that looks like it's been even more crushed. Glass everywhere. This used to be the perfect place to pull in your car or truck, unload your bike, go riding, you know, out of the way, out of sight. But nope, somebody had to fuck it up for everybody. But anyway, let's get the bike unloaded, let's get the gear on, and let's go for a rip. Alrighty, guys, the bike is warmed up. I am wearing my super protective gear. I didn't get all my gear in time. I'm still piecing it together. I got to get boots. Probably just boots really is the main thing. I have a chest piece type deal coming, but all in due time. I'm not going to take it crazy today. My fork seals are kind of shot anyway, so yeah, just going to take it easy, scope out the trails. They look pretty wet. I don't know how this will go, but you know, send it, whatever. If I get really muddy on my first time out, so be it. I'm gonna go strap the camera to my chest, put my goggles on, bring a screwdriver just in case, and see you guys on the trails. I'm so pumped. I don't know if I can make it through here. Already soaked. Oh God. No, don't die. Don't with me like this. I rode through that, splashed up a bunch of water, and sputtered out, and won't start again. I live with the frogs now. Hey, buddy. Hey, big guy. I'm the new guy in town. What's up? Can you show me around? It's a good place to eat.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Well, guys, I've been too busy trying to fix my bike. I've been too busy talking to the frogs, but basically what happened is I went through a puddle, bike sputtered out, bike died, bike hasn't started again. So I'm not gonna waste any breath talking. Pretty cheesed. I'm trying to make the best of this, but she was ripping though. I was having fun until that moment. Go trail riding, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Chevy, built strong, tough. Alrighty guys, I made it back to the car. That was an ordeal. I also forgot my asthma puffer in the car, and I get really bad asthma, so I'm lucky I didn't die on the trail. But tried swapping the spark plug. The spark plug I brought is an NGK. What I run in here is a Champion. The reason I run Champion is because it's easier to find and it's good enough. The NGK ones that I have, apparently they don't have the little unscrewable top tip, so I can't even fit it into my spark plug boot. So I took out the plug that's in there, I cleaned it up. I am getting spark. I don't know if it's enough spark. I don't know if the spark's strong enough, but Heck, I mean, the thing should at least try and sputter up. I have a feeling this Chinese carb screwed me. That's just my gut feeling. The Chinese carb screwed me. This close to selling all my vintage bikes and just buying something modern, and I don't know. I don't even know. I'm gonna think about that one when I'm not frustrated, but I'm gonna go try and start it. If it doesn't start, I'm gonna load it up and go home, have dinner. You know what, guys? Let's look at the bright side. Despite the bike breaking, despite me maiming my finger, despite me almost dying of asthma, despite all those things, I came out here today to have some fun and get some physical exercise. And I had a bit of the one, and I certainly had a lot of the other. So I'm just gonna try and stay positive, as hard as it is right now. Bike's all tied up. Just gotta get myself in order and I can go home. Oh yeah, and I found like 3 ticks on me, but that's beside the point. I actually ran into him on the trail. He's got an ATV. Brand spanking new one, so I bet it's not dying on the trail on him. Still got that tick feeling, like they're all over me. Okay, enough rambling. I'm getting in the car, I'm getting out of here. It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life for us. Always braking on the trails. Always braking these freaking bikes. It's a hard knock life. My trails. Sorry I couldn't ride you harder. Well, guys, I don't know how to tell you this, but bike just fell off the trailer, got stuck under the trailer, got dragged under the trailer. It's all bars are bent. I don't know. Normally I'd be more pissed than this, but I just give up. I'll see you guys in the next video.